What is up, you guys? It's your girl, the Great Tay, and I am back with another video. So, how cute is this updo? It's like super cute and super easy to do. You can do this in literally 15 minutes, and I am going to show you how. And also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, so these are all the things that I used to do the updo. And keep in mind, you guys, I only used one pack of jumbo braid. I bought two, but I only needed one. So yeah, that's me feeling myself. So I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail. I used my Echo Styling Gel, and also I used my castor oil. I should have put that first, but I forgot. So I used my castor oil after putting my Echo Styling Gel. It doesn't really matter. So that's what I'm doing there, just putting my hair in a ponytail. So as you can see, I'm putting my hair in a high ponytail. So basically I want the ponytail to be on the top of my head. Later on in the video, you'll see why I need to have the ponytail super high. So this is where our jumbo braids will come in handy. So like I said, I only used one pack. So I cut the braid in half. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap the braid around my tripod and like do a little braid thingy. Or if you don't have a tripod, you can use your doorknob. I'm sure everyone has a doorknob, so you can use your doorknob if you don't have a tripod. So I'll be making the braid with both pieces of the braids that I cut in half, if you understand what I mean. So let's get down to business, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my elastic band, my rubber band, push it through the hole in the braid, wrap it around, and as you can see there, and with that, and then I'm gonna put it on the bun. And I'll do the same with the other braid. Don't worry guys, it looks crazy now. Just keep on watching and it will all make sense. So here I'm wrapping one of the braids in a bun. So I stretched the other one. As you can see what I just did, I stretched one of the braids so I can get it out of the way, and then I wrapped the other one in a bun. Don't mind the flyaways, you guys, because we're going to use hairpins to pin all of that down. So when I wrap the hair in a bun, I use my hairpins to pin it all down. So as you can see, I'm pinning down all the flyaways and getting the bun to look super neat. So like I said, don't worry about the flyaways, you guys. We're going to use our hairpins and we're going to secure those flyaways. Okay. So now with the other braid, we are just gonna roll it up like a cinnamon bun. Yes, I love to eat. So we're gonna just roll it up like a cinnamon bun, and we're gonna use our hairpins and we're gonna pin that sucker down. So now I'm slaying my edges and I'm using my -27 edge control, you guys. Details will be in the description below if you want to grab your edge control, if you want to have nice full edges like mine. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you tried to do this updo and let me know how it goes. So stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.